They're done. Ashley's still wrestling.
You're pulling my hair.
No, I'm not.
Let go.
It's stuck in my head. Get it out. Choke her out. Put her in a choke whip, Melissa. Put your hand and choke her.
That was cool.
Ray, doggy style. She got you in the thither hole.
This girl's getting horny.
Thither me thither.
She doesn't get Ashley, we were done like 5 minutes ago. Get off of me.
I fought you.
Me and Alyssa.
Stop. No, I'm versing Alyssa now.
No, me and Alyssa didn't get an extra round.
It's okay, she hasn't versed Alyssa yet. No. Alyssa, you got this. Use your arm strength. Dear. That didn't count that round. Oh my God, we have another fight in here.
Look at her butt.
We have another fight in here.
No.
Say mercy.
No.
Step on her bladder.
Don't stop hitting me.
I don't care.
Stop. You done?
No.
Shouldn't she be done by now? What? Shouldn't she be done by now?
Yeah, you're done.
You've been done for a while.
She might pull an Ashley and attack you from behind.
I'll just flip her over. Ready? Ready? Here. Yeah, bitch. Stop.
Oh my God, are you okay? Look at how butt hanging out.
Good karma.
Okay, let's go.
Ready? Here go me and Alyssa.
Go Megan! I'm gonna take you down like right this second. Go away.
Kicking.
I can't.
Away. Away.
Be done.
Jordan, is this a new video? Like you made a new video? You ended it and then redid it?
I need to right now.